Heavy downpour for the past 2 days has drowned several parts of Hyderabad. 9 people, including 2-month-old infant, died when a boundary wall collapsed in Mohammed Media Hills area due to heavy rains. While rains have subsided, 11 lives were lost in the city. Amidst the heavy rainfalls, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University and Osmania University have postponed the examination schedule for today and tomorrow. Hyderabad Zoo also has been closed for visitors today due to waterlogging. Power snags were reported in many parts of the city for several hours. Disaster relief teams were deployed to rescue the marooned parts of the old city areas in Hyderabad have been completely inundated and situation remains grim on ground. Normal life was thrown out of gear at various places in rest of Telangana as well after heavy rains. The Met Department has predicted light to heavy rainfall or thunder showers in parts of Hyderabad today.
The intensity of rain, you can just imagine that these trucks, these cars washed away and then completely it looked like that it is crushed by some heavy boulder or something. The entire stretch is completely devastated. You can see the entire road has washed away. This is the situation of one important road of Hyderabad which connects Hyderabad International Airport, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. I'll ask my camera person to show that how administration is now trying to resume this entire stretch. These cars, they are trying to remove all these cars. They all were washed away in last night heavy rain. This is the situation here. In this entire area, the entire road stretch has completely washed away, and now administration is trying to restore the connectivity to the airport. This side also, I'll ask my camera person to show that how a big container truck with four-wheelers like Innova cars, SUV cars, they are completely dashed, crashed in each other due to yesterday night heavy rain. Apart from Hyderabad, several other districts of Telangana, neighboring states of Andhra Pradesh also, it is witnessing heavy to very heavy rainfall. Now the department has predicted more rains. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today. So we are in the Dumalgura locality of Hyderabad, and you can see behind me a complete area, this complete stretch is inundated. This is a residential area, almost 100 plus houses are located in this lane, and completely this entire lane is submerged. People are now, they are stranded in their houses. This particular building you can see, they are the residents. Sir, how many houses are there, or you can't come down? 8 flats. So clearly 8 flats and this entire basement, it is completely submerged, and you can see the flow of the water. They tried stopping the water entering into, but yes, this is the drainage, open drainage, and they tried stopping the water entering into the basement, but it is completely now filled with the water. They can't come down, and this is the entire situation. This entire stretch completely submerged. People can't come outside, and not only this particular area of Dumalgura, several other parts of the city. There also we are getting reports of similar kind of situation, inundation, houses getting submerged. Disaster Relief Force of Hyderabad, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, they are on job. Police administrations are on job. But yes, heavy rainfall, overnight rainfall has created this flood-like situation in and around Hyderabad. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today.
बहुत गए सर, उधर बहुत गए, अभी डॉब में बहुत गए, पब्लिक गए और लाशा गए, कार में बैठे सो लोग गए अंदर, बहुत लोग गए मगर मिल रहे नहीं, पूरा उधर गए सर। पहली बार देखे साहब, ये बहुत खतरनाक हुआ साहब।
मेरा बेटी गया, 2 बच्चे गए और एक जो है सो बेटी गई, एक बच्चा उधर बह गया पानी में। रात के 2 बजे पानी आया था, पूरा बहुत लात मार के चलेगा।
Ashish Pandey reporting live from Hyderabad is now joining us. Ashish, tough times really, and there's a lot of casualty also that has been reported at the moment. What is the kind of advisory coming in from the State Department? What is the Met Department saying in terms of the volume of rain going forward as well, and anything that the viewers need to keep in mind?
Yes, Chati, you are absolutely right. It's a tough time for Hyderabad, not only for Hyderabad, for Telangana, entire Telangana state and Andhra Pradesh. Both the twin Telugu states are receiving heavy to very heavy rainfall, and we are currently at one important junction. This important road connects Hyderabad International Airport to the city, and you can see this we call Aramgarh Chaurasta. It connects to Aramgarh and LB Nagar area, and you can just imagine. I'll ask my camera person to show these cars. Yesterday's heavy rainfall, all these cars struck in this water flow. Now this entire stretch is completely blocked. Police personnel of Cyberabad Police Commissioner Zone, apart from Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation people, they are trying to resume the connectivity to the airport. This is the situation here. Not only cars, big container trucks, and I'll ask my camera person to show you. It clearly shows the intensity and the current of water flowing in this stretch. Yesterday night, Hyderabad city has received almost 20 to 30 centimeters of rain. Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation area, several areas reported over 15 centimeters of rain to 30 centimeters of rain. That's huge rain, and that's why today Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao hold a review meeting with senior officials, district administration, and the state government has decided that for 2 days all the educational institute across state it will be closed. Meanwhile, municipal administration minister K.T. Rama Rao, he has hold review meeting assessing the situation of Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation region, because this particular area, this particular part of state has received maximum rain, and of course, residential area means more damage. We've been witnessing and roaming around few of the residential areas of West Zone, of South Zone, of North Zone of Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. There several colonies are inundated, and it clearly shows that how much rain city received. Administration has requested people to not to come out in case if they have any important work, then only they have been advised to go out from the houses. Police administration, district administration, all has requested people to stay indoors.